Good morning everyone. Today we bring you a very sort of a review I've been looking forward to doing for a long time. Just got this watch today and I'm going to get straight on with the review and get unboxing with it because I want to get wearing it straight away. I currently wear, currently have in my collection the Luminox Master Carbon Seal 3803, I believe it is, special edition Master Carbon Seal. But this Mil-Spec one is basically the new model of this one, I believe. So that's what I've been told and what it's made out to be. So yeah, I've had the Luminox Master Carbon Seal for a long time now, and I've wanted to get myself sort of a new one or a change and stuff like that. But let's get right on with it, shall we? So looking initially at the box, the old model came in like a deployment case with it's just no extra straps or anything, but this one apparently comes with a camo strap. So let's get right on with it, shall we? Get straight on with it. Looking at the front cover, we've got this nice little poster-like outside packaging here with their always visible brand logo on the back and the Luminox light technology and stuff like that. Known for lighting up in the dark as well. So looking at the initial box, we've got this bigger sort of deployment style casing, same sort of material as the old style one. Going to do a comparison video of the two. This sort of very rugged, sturdy and light deployment style case. Bit more of a bigger box this time, probably because of all the packaging inside as well. So looking around the box, obviously you've got those just plastic standard hinges here with a nice little plastic lip here. The Luminox logo going around the outside. Comes with a strapping tool, which is excellent. Nice little strapping tool to come with it, and that digital camo strap if you want to have it on with the with that watch. You can I'm not sure if this will have a quick interchange system or not, but it may do. So yeah, it comes with a camo strap. Look inside, we've just got that standard sort of fabric inside there with the actual watch sitting on a nice cushion style sock. So here we go, guys. This is the Luminox Mil-Spec 3350. So it sits at 46mm in case diameter with a case thickness of 40mm. So it's not really thick, but it's thick enough for this sort of style watch. Looking at the face here, we can see we've got a fully luminous, lots of stuff going on here. It's a very similar face to this, exactly the same face, essentially. Just the upgraded model. So we've got a fully luminous increments here, and hands and seconds hand, and very similar style bezel as well. It's all blacked out, as you can see here. So these hands will light up, all these seconds hand and minutes hands, they will all light up. The actual colour for these I have for you here. So you will have this seconds hand here, this thick seconds hand will light up green. You'll have a blue minute hand to match the blue increments going around the side, and a yellow hour marker here, and a yellow like button marker and yellow 12 marker as well. So this as you can see, it's Mil-Spec, and you can see that it's waterproof to 300 meters, retails at around about £700, but you could probably get this discounted with a code if you have a code available. Looking at the mineral of the glass is a flat, enhanced sapphire military grade glass face, which means it's extremely scratch proof. I didn't know there was a definition of extremely scratch proof, but apparently there is. So you've got a thick bezel here and really nice clicking mechanism here. With the old one, you used to have quite a bit, well, you didn't have with a lot of play, but you had a bit more play with this, but this is much more sort of secure, and a very thick clicking mechanism in there. I can hear it. So the actual bezel itself is a really thick serrated style matte stainless steel finish bezel here with black numbers going around the side. And you've also, so coming around to the casing, you've got a full Carbonox compound casing here. So Carbinox is Luminox's trademarked compound, which consists of carbon, like strings, carbon fibres mixed with metals to make it extremely scratch proof and extremely light as well. So it's meant to be robust and lightweight on the wrist. So you've got a Carbinox style crown as well. With does this screw down? Let's have a look. No, it doesn't. So you've just got a plain popping out system here with that crown dial as well. Very, very thick, very, very strong movement to these hand movements here. Very, very strong clicking down mechanism as well. Doesn't screw down into the, actually it might do. Yeah, there's a slight screw down into the actual plate. Coming around to the strap, you've got a Mil-Spec special edition rubber strap here, very, very rugged, but also a bit giving on the wrist as well. I noticed that before, some of the rubber straps that come with it can be quite harsh on the wrist and can be quite tight and not much play in it whatsoever. Coming around to the back, you've got your matte finish, well, matte line stainless steel finish with some writing on the back here. As it says here, built as per Mil-Spec, PRE 46374G. If you're guys from the military, you will know all about that. Obviously, yeah, you can see on the back all your specifications and stuff on the back here. Connecting to the strap, you've got a double-ended popper pins. It's a shame they haven't added in a quick release system here, which is a shame, but I expect the double-ended popper pins here are going to be extremely thick, and they are. They're very big popper pins there. Coming down to the actual clasp here, you've got a matted out, I think this is Carbinox as well, Carbinox compound, Luminox engraved logo here. So let's put this on and compare it next to the other one. Of course I'll drop it, no matter. Let's put it here. So there we go, that is the Luminox 3350 Mil-Spec 46mm. Operating on a Swiss quartz 506412, Swiss made quartz movement.